Oh, it was the guy behind us, I think. He said sorry. He accidentally hit the horn. This is why I tend to lane filter to the front traffic lights, so you're not in amongst this shit. On my way, where happiness and misery today. I'm on my way. Two things I gotta watch. He's gonna take off like an idiot, and I got a HSV Maloo Ute on my other side. He's got potential to take off like an idiot. The Maloo Ute didn't, thank fuck. He can't handle when my R3's in front of him. He just like has to be in front of me all the time. Like from traffic lights and shit. If we're actually cruising along, he's all good. He would just fucking sit behind me. But if it's like traffic lights or something, nah. He has to be in front. I don't know why that car's like sitting so far over. You can't get around me really, dude, because it's actually not two lanes. It's just a single lane. But what is going on, you guys? I am on the way to the motorway store, driving around at the motorbikes, duh. I'm actually going to look at a new jacket. I want to get, there's an Alpine Stars jacket I want to get. Don't even know where we're going, bruh. I reckon it's a shortcut, because you used to go around this area all the time. Me, not so much. Imagine riding up this on a push bike, man. Fuck. Oh, that kid, fucking talking about it, that kid did it, holy shit. I didn't even see him until like the last minute. I'm like, oh fuck, there's actually a kid on the push bike. Man, I remember when I was a kid, I was actually watching, I tend to watch a lot of YouTube guys. I spend more time on YouTube than what I do watching TV or anything else, pretty much. But on my whole YouTube thing changed, like my homepage. YouTube obviously has changed the algorithm or something, because it has changed drastically. It went from being completely normal to highway patrol videos. Like, I mean, these channels that I'd never even heard of. Yeah, but I was watching all these highway patrol videos, man, and that dude was riding fucking sick as a motherfucker, bro. Yeah, but I was watching all these highway patrol videos, and I'm like, these channels that I've never even heard of, man, like seriously, they've appeared out of nowhere and they've got shitloads of views. I'm like, who the hell are these people? What the hell? So I thought that was a plastic, that paper bag was a cat, a ginger cat. I got one in my pants. I got one in my pants. Yeah, if you want to shout us a sausage, bro, by all means. Go for it, mate. Did you see the dude on the truck? Yeah. Fucking just chilling. Motorised scooter. Hey? I think it was one of those electric scooter things. He modified it. He loved it. We both gave him the thumbs up. He's like, yeah, I'm important. I like that too. Oh, I'm important. Where'd you go, man? I'd say, oh, I'd never been that way before. They've changed the Ninja 300 front guard. No, that's a 650. Hey? Have to be 650. Yeah, it's a 650. Yeah. What's the name of it? Cool. Wonder if they match Bunnings. Bunnings sausages are the ones to beat. One thing you know about me, I fuck around a lot. I've got like little to no mobility, guys. Bloody hell, man. You look like Happy Bird. Oh, dude, I can hardly fucking move. And the fucking coat hanger keeps hitting me in the bloody neck. Oh, guys, I tell you what. Bloody hell. I've got that many layers on me right now, dude. Fucking goddamn coat hanger. I haven't even got the reverse camera on because it's in my first jacket. So what I've done, right, an Alpine Stars jacket. I went and got a new jacket, and then I'm like, hell yeah. Fucking brought my dry rider jacket because it's a bigger jacket for like having jumpers and stuff on underneath it. Anyway, I'm like, that'll be all good, all cool. Put that on, Alpine Stars jacket goes inside of it, like great. Then they give you all this stuff with the jacket. So it comes with like obviously all the information, how to fucking clean it, all that sort of shit. And with Alpine Stars, every manufacturer normally does it different. So I'm like, yeah, I'll grab that. Then I'm like, I've got the coat hanger because I actually want the coat hanger because on how heavy the jackets are, I like using their actual coat hangers. Got that underneath, and yeah, which side are they going to go towards? Which side am I going to be able to creep up? Told you, he can't handle a little R3 being in front of him. But actually, underneath my Alpine Star jacket, it feels good, like really good. I'm quite impressed with it. Really, really nice feeling jacket. He's actually moving over so you can get around him, man. Actually, he's moving over because he's turning. But it's a really, really good feeling jacket, and I'm really happy with it. I've thought about getting another jacket. I just wanted a leather jacket. I hated the other one I had. It was too big, it was too cumbersome. Well, it wasn't too big, but it was like it was like a touring jacket. I couldn't run any of the full cloth gloves with it. And I had the summer jacket, the airflow jacket. Oh man, that was like a godsend. And then I had to go back to that other jacket because obviously the weather over here in Australia is starting to change. You may not look it today. It's a really nice day today actually. But it's starting to go to that sort of cusp of winter sort of weather. So I had to change my style of jacket, and that is where the leather jacket comes in, because I'm like, well, I have to go back to that one. I can't be wearing the airflow all the time. It's just too bloody cold using the airflow jacket. So what I'll do is I'll change out that fucking big cumbersome jacket and buy myself a nice Alpine Star jacket. So that's what I've gone and done. But now I'm trying to get back home, and I've got the draw rider jacket over the top of the Alpine Stars jacket, and then I've got a coat hanger in my jacket, which is out the way. I still wouldn't want to crash, it'd probably impale me, I don't know. And then I've got everything that I took with me there, so my wallet and all that sort of stuff. But the Alpine Star jacket feels really good, man. Their sizing's a little bit different, I've noticed, to Dainese and some other brands that I've tried on, like Burrick. I think it's Burrick. I tried that one on, and their sizings are different. So I'm like a 56 in the Burrick, and in Alpine Stars I'm a 58, because my arms physically cannot fit around the armor and everything like that. Like, they're just too big, my forearms and stuff. So I'm a big boy. That was Nathan. I know him, Nathan. But so my arms were too big, and that's the problem I've got, because I'm very broad-shouldered, and like my arms aren't small. I'm not trying to toot my own horn or anything, but my arms aren't small. So trying to size myself up for a jacket is bloody hard. I need to go in there. I spend more time in a motorcycle store trying clothes on than I think I have in my whole life trying other clothes on. I'm like really bad with that shit. I spend more money and everything on motorcycle shit than anything else. Can't wait to get this weight off. This is the quickest weight loss you're ever going to see. I'm losing weight right now. It's a fucking incubator. Bloody hell.